Welcome back, folks. It is 5:10 on this wonderful Thursday evening. I'm Josephine Sage. Let's talk weather right now as we take a look outside at America's Mattress Live Tower Cam. We've got these blue skies. We've also got these cloudy skies. And that'll continue with us throughout the rest of this evening because these clouds are bringing some winter weather, some unsettled weather to those higher elevation regions. And more locally, we can expect some more cloud coverage to roll on in late this evening and into tomorrow morning. We'll take a look at our weather headlines, and we're also noticing colder temperatures are moving on in tonight and into tomorrow. That also means widespread snow showers as this unsettled weather moves on in. But we are going to have a clearing and a little bit of an increase in sunshine by the early work week. However, we are jumping kind of close to that middle of December, so temperatures are still staying down in those low 40s and upper 30s during the afternoon hours. Right now, currently, our radar is looking to, well, we've got some snow in those northern mountains. That's going to continue with us, and this is just the start to that unsettled weather that's moving on in. We'll notice as we look more south over Montrose at the live tower cam right now that we still have some leftover snow hanging on out in those outskirts of those hills and those mountains, and we're going to gain 2 to 3 inches of snow accumulation for the city of Montrose as these storms roll on in. And just we'll notice that rain and snow is expected here in the valleys, but we do have winter weather advisories active at least until tomorrow for most regions, and even pushing until Saturday in those AM hours for other areas, a little bit on those higher side of things. We'll also notice travel impacts, especially down that I-70 corridor, are going to be active throughout the entirety of this weekend. That winter weather advisory will stay active in Mesa County at least until tomorrow at 11 p.m. But as we look towards, well, Eagle County and even pushing towards that Front Range region alongside looking towards Telluride, those winter weather advisories are looking to be extended at least until Saturday in those AM hours. And more nationally, this is that low pressure, this is that unsettled weather we've continued to watch move on into the area. And that's going to push a lot of moisture stretching from Steamboat Springs down through that Continental Divide area, and then even pushing towards that southern Front Range area along the I-25 corridor. A little bit of a closer look as that low pressure trough moves on in. That cold front has kind of passed us, and that's what's giving us this decrease in temperatures pretty heavily hefty this evening. Fast forward into tomorrow afternoon, some showers through the plains, but still focused along those central mountains in terms of snow for us a little bit more locally. And even more locally, our futurecast will show widespread cloud coverage waking up tomorrow. Grand Junction, Colburn, Glenwood Springs, Aspen, CB, Gunnison, and Ridgeway looking at those snow showers. Fast forward into Friday afternoon, still those same regions are expecting continuous snow through the entirety of the afternoon. But by Saturday, those AM hours, cloud coverage is still sticking around, but a decrease in that precipitation as it kind of exits the area and disperses. We'll notice in some of these areas double digits through Steamboat, Aspen, close to that in Telluride, and we're looking at those minimal snow accumulations in the valleys. And we'll notice just how much locally, well, up to 2, maybe up to 3. Those areas like Vail, past Steamboat, and Telluride are where they're going to reach those double digits. Now, Discovery Auto Group's 7-day forecast will show we're expecting that mix of rain and snow here locally, and that decrease in temperatures down to the 30s for the weekend. Montrose, same kind of trend, even a few degrees cooler, even getting close to those possible single-digit nighttime temperatures on Sunday.